Welcome to D&D RV Center in Helena, Montana. It's a rainy, gloomy day, so we decided to take some videos of some trades that had just arrived. This is a 2022 Transcend 221 RB. Came to us from the great state of Arizona. The folks came up and bought a new Cougar from us, and we appreciate that. That's a long drive. But because of that, you can see the graphics on the front are in pretty rough shape. That's from that Arizona sun. It's one of two flaws on the coach. The rest of it's in really nice shape, so don't let that scare you. You do have power tongue jack. Big pass-through compartment up front here, so you can take lots of stuff with you. Good clearance underneath if you're in the mountains of Montana and you want to get off the road a little bit. Big power awning, dark tinted windows for privacy and to help keep it cool. Let's step inside. The floor space in here is just amazing. Big, comfortable sofa with a massive window that opens. Half of it opens behind it right there. I love that. Great big refrigerator, nice to have. Kitchen is really impressive for a shorter, smaller trailer. Lots of counter space. Really like this floor plan. Got a TV overhead right across from the sofa. Range, microwave, air conditioning. Really got it all. The second flaw on this is this little spot right here in the countertop. I think that'll glue down and probably be good for a long time, but that is there just so you know. The bedroom up front is great. Walk around bed, closets on both sides. Roof vent, windows that open on both sides, plenty of room to get around the bed, and a great big sliding door gives access easily. Again, the floor space in here is outstanding. This rear bath in this thing might be the most impressive part. It is huge for this size of a trailer. Look at the counter space in the vanity. That's just amazing. All kinds of storage space. Window that opens, lots of room in front of the toilet, and a huge shower with a skylight, so really just about anybody could use that. This is a 2022 Transcend 221 RB. Just came into D&D RV Center, Helena, Montana. You can call or text us at 406-442-8542 or visit us online at ddrvcenter.com. We really appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the tour and look forward to seeing you in the store.